is back to school time, and while you're starting the kids off with some new outfits, why not donate their old clothes and shoes that no longer fit to the Michigan Humane Society, care for homeless animals, and find them loving homes? So don't worry, you will not see the animals wearing the clothing. This morning, CJ Bentley from the Michigan Animal Society joins us now to explain how this all works so people can bring in their used clothing. And what do you guys do with it?
Yeah, we have this awesome partner, ATRS, and they are one of the companies that provides the bins. So if you're driving about, most of our bins are black, but you can tell which bins are ours because they've got this adorable picture of a black and white Cocker Spaniel mixed looking dog on them. So those are our bins. And clothing and shoes go in those bins, and the company comes and picks up the clothes and shoes, and they actually weigh it, and then they pay us. We get cash donation for the clothes, and then they make good use of the clothes by making sure that people, you know, get the clothes that they need. So it works out really, really well for us, and it's a really awesome program.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And
she
then
wants to go somewhere.
She does. Let's see. She is. Let's see. Oh, maybe she just wants to change the scenery.
Maybe.
Right.
There you go.
So tell us about this cute little kitty.
This is Tiger Lily. She's 4 months old, and she's available for adoption at the Michigan Humane Society Rochester Hills Center for Animal Care. She came in with another cat, and so this is her first time kind of away from that kitty, so she's probably looking for her friend right now. But she is really sweet. We found her to be very courageous. She's up on things, very curious. She's a nice little cat, and we've got so many cats. We could really use some loving homes for them.
Okay, and what's the adoption fee for cats?
$65.
Okay, all right, $65.
And that's totally sterilized, microchipped, feline leukemia, FIV tested, all their vaccines. There you go. She likes you.
All right. No, she's looking for a way out, I think. All right. But and again, people can donate at those bins all year round. All year round.
All year round. Yep, we have them. There's one at our Rochester Hills shelter, one at Westland, one at our Petco location in Sterling Heights, and like I said, really all over the community. Just look for the box with the cute little dog on it.
Perfect. All right. Thank you, CJ.
Thank you.